welcome back to the channel. I'm Nancy. Welcome to Only Nancy. So today's video is going to be all about me video. Basically, I rebranded this channel. It used to be a whole bunch of other things, and then I just was like, you know, I'm not feeling it, so I just decided to rebrand it. I'm currently at 4,000 subscribers, but you know, I'm stuck at 4,000 subscribers, so I want to grow my subscriber count, and you know, we're gonna get to 100,000 subscribers. You know, that's the goal. We're gonna get to 100,000 subscribers, and by next year, same time next year. So it's what, May 22nd, and that's my goal. We're gonna get to 100,000 subscribers, and we have to be consistent. Basically, I start taking this seriously. Last time, let me give you a little background about my previous channel. So my previous channel had it was all over the place. You know, it was doing good and everything like that, but I wasn't consistent, and I wasn't able to record and edit all the videos and upload the videos for you guys. It was very demanding, and I didn't know you know, it required so much, and I was so young, and I was in high school, and I was just trying to you know, feel the use of YouTube. However, I fell in love with the editing and the recording and posting and interacting with you guys on YouTube. And also a very important thing I really like doing is teaching on YouTube. So this channel is really going to be consisting of hair videos. So I am locked up. However, I just have box braids. I did them over my locks. So I've been locked up for a couple months now, and you guys will get a lot of those videos, journeys and hair product reviews, beauty reviews. I love lip gloss. I love eyelashes. I just I'm just everywhere, you know, with my channel. But basically it's gonna be a hair channel. Wig reviews, most definitely. I love wigs. I love making wigs, and I love wearing wigs and snapping them on. So I wanted to share with you guys what my channel is going to be about. So this is the first video, so be on the lookout for the next video, and I promise I'm going to try to be as consistent as I can be. A little background, let me tell you guys a little bit about me. So I am in nursing school to get my RN. I am currently a nurse. I'm an LPN, and I recently graduated from LPN school in December of 2019. What else do I do? So piggybacking on the nursing school, I do have a nursing channel. So if you're interested in nursing content, day in life, just anything about nursing, I do have a nursing channel. It's called The Next Nurse. If you want to check it out, I'll have it down below, and I'll have the link in the description box for you guys to check it out. So don't forget to subscribe. My aunt, I have two beautiful nieces, and I have one nephew. I'm gonna be an aunt to the day I die, it looks like. I have no kids, currently in a relationship. I don't know, I'm such a very private person, but at the same time I can share with you guys some things. I'm not gonna share everything because that's just a little too much, you know. There's identity theft out there. I'm very afraid of that. But I'm a very private person. I'm a very quiet, very shy person. If I don't know you, I feel YouTube is where I'm able to be myself, and I'm able to be who I really am. I'm not saying that I'm not who I portray myself to friends and family, but this is just my comfortable place. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and comment down below any video ideas that you guys would like for me to record, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at The Only Nancy, and also on Twitter at Only Nancy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.